Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Roblox if it's freezing. So let's begin. So let's get right on into the solution right away. So the first thing that I want you to do is go into your start menu and type device manager. Device manager right here in the control panel, you want to open it and you would have this right here. And from here, you want to find the display adapters and you want to expand it until you can see all the adapters that you have. And you want to click or right click on the adapter that you are using for your games, or maybe if you want, then you can just select all your adapters one by one so that you can update it by right clicking. And you want to click on update driver right here. And you can just click on search automatically for drivers. And if you have this right here, the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you don't have to do anything. But if it says that there is an update available, then you want to update it. So you want to close, and you want to close this also. And the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to go back into the start menu and type Roblox. And from here, we want the Roblox player right here. So you want to right click on it and you go open file location. And you would have it right here. So you want to right click on the Roblox player application and go into the properties. And from here, go into the compatibility. And from here, you want to go and make sure you tick the box for run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Or you can also go for Windows 7. Right here, you can test between 7 and 8 which one works better for you. And the next thing is go for tick the box for disable full screen optimization. And also for run this program as administrator, so make sure you check the box right there. And after you have done that, click on apply. And now we're gonna go click here on run compatibility troubleshooter right here. And as you can see, it's detecting issues right here. And you wanna select troubleshooting options. Let's go for recommended settings right here. And you wanna test the program, click test the program right here. One by one, you wanna yes right there. And before you click on next, make sure that you have clicked on test a program first. So once you've done that, you want to click on next again. And then yes, save the settings for this program if the problem is fixed, but if not, then you can go for no. And let's go for yes this time, assuming that it's fixed. Then as you can see, it's not fixed, and let's go and close it right there. And now the Roblox is successfully installed and it's fixed. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.